Apartment and house prices in America in 2025 are important and frequently discussed on various websites. This helps those wishing to buy or rent a home in the United States. It's also important to know that apartment and house prices vary from state to state and from city to city. Many expatriates are looking for apartments that suit their needs and budgets. Given the high prices, the United States also boasts a huge variety of apartments that suit all budgets and all low-income families. Apartment and house prices in America in 2025. As we mentioned earlier, house prices vary from state to state and from region to region. For example, states with high crime rates, thefts, and insecurity are considered affordable. Therefore, you should look for safe and stable states first. Here are the average house prices in the states of America. The average house price in Idaho is $325,000. The average house price in Montana is $325,000. The average house price in Maryland is $329,989. New Jersey has a median home price of $342,000. Utah has a median home price of $369,900. Oregon $389,997. New York $425,000. Washington $425,000. Colorado $429,800. Massachusetts $479,900. California $549,900. Washington, D.C. $599,000. Hawaii $635,000. Texas $283,499. It has the lowest home prices in America, but its climate is very changeable. Arizona $295,000. Delaware $299,000. Florida $299,000. New Hampshire $309,900. Nevada $320,000. Virginia $320,000. Rhode Island $324,900. Pennsylvania $224,990. South Dakota $225,000. North Dakota $227,000. New Mexico $239,000. New York $248,900. Maine $250,000. South Carolina $252,900. Wyoming has a median home price of $256,511. Tennessee $259,000. Georgia $265,000.